Welcome to Herman Hits the Road, and in this episode we're going to be continuing our tour of New Zealand, but not in Herman, in Rusty. Good morning everybody, it is Sunday the 27th of October, which I think is day 8 of our tour of New Zealand. Last night we stayed at, we went to the pub and we watched England beat New Zealand in the World Cup rugby amongst 50-60 New Zealanders. So that was fun.
We survived. Got out alive.
However, in our quick exit I forgot my credit card, so that's still behind the bar with our beer money on there. But it was good fun, wasn't it?
Very good fun.
Yeah, there's a few, bloody English and all this kind of stuff.
Swearing.
A lot of swearing.
But I think they all said, or most of them said, that they didn't play very well, so they think England should have won.
Oh, right, okay, I didn't hear that one. We were planning on going round to Milford Sound, or even doing Doubtful Sound. Doubtful Sound, you need a trip there. You can't just drive there. You need like an excursion, a boat trip, followed by a coach trip, followed by another boat trip to actually see Doubtful Sound. But that's one road all the way around. It's going to take us probably, if we don't rush it, a couple of days. And then of course coming back. So it's a lot of time on our schedule, isn't it, really? We're halfway through our holiday. You've got to be in Christchurch by Friday.
Yes, that's right, Friday night.
So we're going to skip Milford
Which
and
is a
Doubtful
shame,
Sound.
isn't it? But we also want to go up the coast as well, don't we? So, and then you're sort of heading in the right direction, aren't you,
That's right. So we're going to head back to Queenstown, Wanaka, and keep going north around to the west coast.
Greymouth, is it?
Yeah, towards Greymouth, and then we can cut back into Christchurch. But that's going to take. Well, today we're going to planning on getting back to Wanaka. Got to be careful of that word, and maybe a little bit further. I just got to wait until they open to collect my credit card.
So we can go.
So we can go, yeah. We just had a breakfast, we're finishing off.
We're not ready yet anyway, are we?
No. Right, that's it. See you on the road. We've just pulled over in Wilson Bay. And look at that, there's a rainbow just there. Right, really close to the water, to the lake. It's very low. I'm used to ones that are quite high. It looks amazing. This is the Kawarau River, and this is the Kawarau Bridge. And just there, they're setting up for a bungee jump. Spectacular scenery around here. A nice deep gorge with that beautiful light blue turquoise river running through it. After watching a few jumps, I asked Zoe if she fancied having a go.
Well, it's a bit windy and wet.
Yeah.
Maybe on a drier day.
Yeah, on a drier day, we could do that. And I don't think they were doing it anyway. They were cancelling every other one, weren't they? So.
Oh my goodness.
Is he like that? Did you see a girl
yes, her head actually went in the water at the bottom, all hair.
Just goes to show you probably wouldn't want to wear your glasses.
Well, no, because you're, yeah. That's right, anything loose.
Exciting stuff though, but not for us two. Not for us two. After the bungee jumping, we headed north back through Queenstown and Wanaka, and after a couple of hours driving in the rain, and it did rain all day, we arrived at Kidsbush campsite on Lake Hawea. But to get to it is a 6-kilometre dirt track blocked by sheep and cows.
Oh, no.
I am not moving.
she will, because she's got a little calf, hasn't she?
Mum, what's this?
Look at, it's a panic. Oh, adorable. Don't go too close, Auntie Dane, 'cause you'll frighten
Otherwise,
it.
I won't be here all night. We're camping here if we don't move.
Look at his tail.
Get him moving.
Look at him. Careful, because you might kick out or something.
Should separate them.
I know. How did you get that dent in your... Oh, look! Oh, look! He likes carrying his tail high, doesn't he? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look! He's kicking his little feet
There's
up.
lots of calves here.
Oh, look!
And the one we just got its way back there. He's not bothered. There's another one in front of him. Mum, look, Mum.
Oh, look!
What's this? Let's have a little frolic.
Look at him.
Her. They're all hers.
I know.
And this one is like, huh? What you are, what? Let me chew my cud. Yeah, way.
Jesus.
Another one.
Oh, look, there's one. Is that the motor over there? They look at you as if to say, for God's sake,
Yeah.
you're bloody disturbing me.
Excuse me. Thank you. I know it's raining. Thank you.
Look at the feet.
Huh?
Oh, careful, lad, because he's running across. Is he?
Oh, I didn't see that. My mirror was in there.
He's getting a bit frolicky. Now, I get a bit nervous. They're going to kick out or something.
Well, I can run them over. I hurt more.
Yeah, but we don't want to go back to the depot with a great big cow banging on his side. do we?
Where did you get these two hoof prints from? Hello? Now then, do they have electricity?
No.
Oh.
They have no Wi-Fi, no electricity.
Rain, cows.
No, all they have is
Rabbits.
a toilet. Yes.
It has been raining all day and it stopped just recently and it's starting again, but I'm gonna do some filming just to show you where we are going to be staying the night. So let's just pan around. Look at that spectacular view. That's the rain that's just hit us. It's receding, although it's still getting a bit wet. This is Lake, well, how do you pronounce that? This is Lake Hawea, or Hawea, and it's just breathtaking. There are other people here. There's this van and there's another one around the corner, and somebody has just gone in that door. Two other vans have gone in that direction. We have a toilet, flushing toilet. I'm in the middle. We're in the middle of nowhere, so, and it's kind of a little shelter area with washing up as well. It is $8 per adult per night, so very cheap. No electricity. The water here, you need to boil it. Well, you don't have to boil it. It's entirely up to you if you want to boil it. But it is such a pretty place, and the wildlife here is amazing as well. Apparently someone's seen a possum here, so we're hoping to see something like that. Doubt that we will though. Sun on all these mountains here, just there, and then rain. Spectacular. It is now the evening and it is still raining. It's been raining ever since I did the last clip. Yeah, you can hear that. And so I thought we'd, well, we've got the diesel heater on, which is great. You might be able to hear that. It's a little bit chilly, not as cold as it has been, but it's, you know, just keeping the chill off. But I thought we'd show you where we've been today and where we are right now. Let's take a look at the map. We started off this morning at Glenockree. We drove round down to Queenstown, and then we followed the 6 highway through Cromwell, up north, back to Wanaka and Albert Town, and then we headed north to Lake Hawea. Hawaii. Yeah, the mobile company. But anyway, we're here now, right on the coast, just there, about there, I think, of Lake Hawea. Oh, I don't know, whatever. And tomorrow we're going to continue north and past Hast and, well, somewhere along here somewhere, and towards Fox's Glacier Mints and Greymouth. So that's it for tonight. We'll see you later, probably in the morning. So we're going to end the video here, so thank you very much for watching, and if you did like it, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, put them in the comment section down below, and if you haven't already, why not subscribe for all future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.